Welcome, welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica. Whether it's breaking news, sports highlights, or entertainment buzz, we give you the authentic stories with a fresh twist. Because who says the news has to be dry and boring? Before we dive into today's lineup, do the right thing. Like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. Here's your Jamaica Bulletin Board roundup. In the news today, health and safety shakeup in Jamaica. More Jamaicans are visiting health centers, and the health minister is rolling out an overhaul of the National Food Handlers Training and Certification Program. The biggest change? Food handlers permits will now be valid for 2 years instead of 1. No more waiting half the year for a 12-month permit. Because let's be honest, that was like renewing your driver's license every time you blinked. The new system promises faster processing, fewer delays, and hopefully, fewer questionable kitchen practices. So next time you order a patty, you can bite into it with confidence. Telecom's troubles. The telecommunications minister is proposing increased penalties for telecom offenses, and honestly, we're all hoping this means fewer dropped calls and more reliable service. Because let's face it, nothing ruins a conversation faster than hearing, "Hello? You still there?" followed by radio silence. If this new legislation actually works, we might finally be able to complete a phone call without feeling like we're in an action movie where the signal cuts out at the worst possible moment. Fingers crossed. GEC cracks down. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is reporting a significant reduction in pilferage and unauthorized fuel extraction thanks to new anti-siphoning measures. Translation? Less stolen fuel, more buses actually running. The company has seen a major drop in diesel deliveries to the Spanish Town Depot, meaning fuel is finally being used for its intended purpose, getting people where they need to go, instead of mysteriously disappearing into the night. If this trend continues, JUTC could save 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars this year. Maybe they'll use some of that money to upgrade the buses so we don't have to hold on for dear life every time the driver takes a corner. Courtroom twist. A young woman accused of stealing a Samsung Galaxy phone had her charge dismissed in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court after the complainant agreed to drop the case. On one condition, the phone had to be returned. No word yet on whether the judge also recommended she get a backup Nokia 3310, just in case. Airport upgrades. Norman Manley International Airport is getting a major facelift, and soon travelers might see some big changes. Hopefully, this means shorter lines and fewer, "Sorry, your flight has been delayed," announcements. Tourism recognition. Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, has been honored by the Caribbean Tourism Organization for his leadership in the industry. Jamaica's global tourism presence just got another gold star. Now if only we could get official Sunshine Exporter status. Sports Roundup. Triple jump triumph. Jamaica's Jordan Scott set a new personal best of 17.34 m to win his second Wanda Diamond League event in Oslo. He's officially soaring. Reggae boys on fire. John Russell is making waves in Jamaica's football scene, expressing his desire to play every game for the national team after Jamaica's 3-0 win against Guatemala in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. Entertainment buzz. MTV legend passes away. Former MTV VJ Anunda Lewis has sadly passed away at age 52 after a battle with cancer. She was a staple of 90s pop culture, and her legacy lives on. Cartoon commentary. The Jamaica Gleaner's latest cartoon is making waves today. If you're into satirical takes on current events, this one might be worth checking out. That's the latest from Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop of what's happening in Jamaica at this time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.